everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
Hi, Robert. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. A little tired, though. I sat at my desk all morning.
Oh, no, that's not good for your back.
You're right. My back hurts a little. I think I need to sit better.
That's actually perfect because today we have a very important topic.
Really? What is our topic today?
Today we are talking about how to sit and stand correctly.
Oh, wow, that is perfect timing for me.
It is, and it's important for everyone.
You're absolutely right. We sit and stand every day.
Yes, we do it all the time, but do we do it correctly?
That's a very good question. I don't think many people know.
Exactly. So today we will learn together. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to Small Talk Podcast and click the like button, too.
And please share this episode with your friends and family. It helps us so much.
It really does. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for being here.
Okay, Robert, are you ready to learn about sitting and standing?
I am very ready. My back is ready, too.
Perfect. Let's start with sitting. We sit a lot every day.
We do. We sit at work, we sit at home, we sit in the car.
We sit when we eat, we sit when we watch TV.
We sit when we use our phones or computers.
That's a lot of sitting, maybe too much sitting.
I think you're right. Doctors say sitting too much is not healthy.
Yes, they say sitting is the new smoking.
Wow, that sounds serious.
It is, but if we must sit, we should sit correctly.
Absolutely. So tell me, Emily, how do we sit correctly?
Okay, let's start with your feet.
My feet? What about them?
When you sit, your feet should be flat on the floor.
Flat on the floor. Both feet?
Yes, both feet. Not crossed, not on your toes.
I see. I often cross my legs when I sit.
Many people do, but it's not good for your back or your legs.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, crossing your legs can cause back pain and bad circulation.
Circulation means blood flow, right?
Exactly. Blood flow in your body. It's very important.
Okay, so feet flat on the floor, no crossing. Got it.
Perfect. Now let's talk about your knees.
My knees? What should I do with them?
Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle.
A 90-degree angle, like an L shape.
Yes, exactly like an L. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor.
Parallel means flat and level, right?
Yes, not going up or down. Nice and level.
So if my chair is too high or too low, that's a problem.
Yes, your chair height is very important.
How do I know if my chair is the right height?
When you sit, your feet should touch the floor, and your knees should be level with your hips.
That makes sense. What if my chair is too high?
If your chair is too high, use a footrest.
A footrest. That's a small platform for your feet.
Yes, it helps your feet stay flat and comfortable.
Good tip. Okay, feet flat, knees at 90 degrees. What's next?
Next is your back. This is very important.
My back hurts sometimes. Tell me what to do.
You should sit all the way back in your chair.
All the way back? Not on the edge?
No, not on the edge. Your back should touch the back of the chair.
I see. I sometimes sit on the edge when I work.
Many people do, but it's bad for your back muscles.
Because my back has no support?
Exactly. Your chair should support your lower back.
The lower back. That's the part that often hurts.
Yes, it's called the lumbar region.
Lumbar. That's a good word to know.
Some chairs have lumbar support built in.
What if my chair doesn't have that?
You can use a small pillow or a rolled towel.
A rolled towel? Behind my back?
Yes, put it behind your lower back. It gives good support.
That's a simple and cheap solution. I like it.
It works very well. Now let's talk about your shoulders.
My shoulders. What should I do with them?
Your shoulders should be relaxed, not up by your ears.
I think I do that sometimes when I'm stressed.
Many people do. It causes neck and shoulder pain.
So I should keep my shoulders down and relaxed.
Yes, and also keep them back, not hunched forward.
Hunched. That means bent forward like this?
Yes, like you're looking down at a phone or computer.
Oh, I definitely do that a lot.
We all do. It's very common now with technology.
So shoulders back and down, not forward and up.
Perfect. You're learning fast. Now your head.
My head, where should it be?
Your head should be straight, not tilted forward or backward.
Straight, like I'm looking straight ahead.
Yes. Your ears should be over your shoulders.
Ears over shoulders. That's a good way to remember it.
It is. If your head goes forward, it's heavy for your neck.
How heavy is our head?
About 5 kilograms, like a bowling ball.
Wow, that's heavy. No wonder my neck hurts sometimes.
Yes, and if you tilt forward, it feels even heavier.
So keep my head straight. Got it.
Good. Now let's talk about your arms.
My arms. What about them?
When you sit at a desk, your arms should be supported.
Supported. You mean on the desk or armrests?
Yes, your elbows should be at about 90 degrees.
Another 90-degree angle, like my knees.
Exactly. Your forearms should rest comfortably.
Forearms. That's the part from elbow to wrist.
Yes, they should rest on the desk or armrests.
What if I'm typing on a keyboard?
Your wrists should be straight, not bent up or down.
Straight wrists. That prevents wrist pain.
Yes, it prevents something called carpal tunnel syndrome.
Carpal tunnel. I've heard of that. It sounds painful.
It is. It happens from bad wrist position.
So keep wrists straight when typing. Important tip.
Very important, especially if you type a lot every day.
Okay, so we've covered feet, knees, back, shoulders, head, and arms.
Yes, that's a complete guide to sitting correctly.
Let me see if I remember. Feet flat on the floor.
Correct?
Knees at 90 degrees.
Yes.
Back supported against the chair.
Perfect.
Shoulders relaxed and back.
Good.
Head straight, ears over shoulders.
Excellent.
And arms supported with straight wrists.
You remembered everything. Well done.
Thank you. This is really helpful information.
It is. Now let's talk about standing.
Standing. We do that a lot too.
Yes, and many people don't stand correctly either.
What happens when we stand incorrectly?
We can get back pain, knee pain, and foot pain.
That's a lot of pain. We should learn to stand correctly.
Absolutely. Let's start from the bottom again, with your feet.
Okay, how should my feet be when I stand?
Your feet should be shoulder width apart.
Shoulder width, so not too close together or too far apart.
Exactly. About the same width as your shoulders.
That gives me good balance, right?
Yes, it gives you a stable base.
Stable means strong and not wobbly.
Yes, you won't fall or lean to one side.
Good. What about my weight? Should it be on both feet?
Yes, distribute your weight evenly on both feet.
Distribute means to spread out equally.
Exactly. Don't put all your weight on one foot.
I sometimes stand on one leg when I'm tired.
Many people do, but it's not good for your hips and spine.
The spine, that's our backbone.
Yes, it can cause the spine to curve incorrectly.
So always use both feet equally. Got it.
Perfect. Now your knees.
What should I do with my knees when standing?
Your knees should be slightly bent, very slightly.
Not locked straight?
No, never lock your knees.
What happens if I lock my knees?
It can hurt your knees and reduce blood flow.
Reduce blood flow. That sounds bad.
It is. Some people even faint from locked knees.
Faint? Really? From standing?
Yes, especially if they stand for a long time.
Wow. So keep knees soft and slightly bent.
Yes, soft is a good word for it.
What about my hips?
Your hips should be level, not tilted forward or back.
Level, straight and even.
Yes, imagine your pelvis is a bowl of water.
A bowl of water. That's an interesting image.
You don't want to spill the water forward or backward.
So keep it level. I like that way of thinking.
It helps you remember. Now your back and spine.
How should my back be when standing?
Your back should be straight but natural.
Straight but natural. What does that mean?
It means not stiff like a soldier and not slouched.
Slouched means bent forward with bad posture.
Yes, your spine has natural curves.
Natural curves, not completely straight.
Correct. There's a small curve in your lower back.
And a curve in my upper back, too?
Yes, these curves are healthy and normal.
So I shouldn't try to make my back completely flat.
No, that would be uncomfortable and unnatural.
Just stand tall and comfortable.
Exactly. Stand tall is very good advice.
What about my shoulders when standing?
Same as sitting. Shoulders back and down.
Not hunched forward.
Right, and not up by your ears.
Relaxed and in a natural position.
Perfect. Now your head.
Let me guess. Head straight, ears over shoulders.
Excellent. You're learning so well.
Thank you. It's the same as sitting.
Yes, good posture is similar sitting or standing.
That makes it easier to remember.
It does. Now, what about your chin?
My chin. Should it be up or down?
Your chin should be parallel to the floor.
Parallel. Level with the ground.
Yes, not pointing up and not tucked down.
This helps my neck stay in good position.
Exactly. It reduces neck strain.
Strain means tension or stress on muscles.
Yes, too much strain causes pain.
So we want to avoid that.
Definitely. Now let's talk about your arms when standing.
What should I do with my arms?
Let them hang naturally by your sides.
Just relaxed and loose.
Yes, don't cross them or put hands in pockets all the time.
Why not cross my arms?
It can make your shoulders hunch forward.
And hands in pockets?
It can make you slouch and affect your balance.
Okay, arms relaxed at my sides is best.
Yes, it looks confident too.
Confident, that's a good bonus.
It is. Good posture makes you look and feel confident.
This is really valuable information, Emily.
I'm glad you think so. Now let's talk about some common mistakes.
Good idea. What mistakes do people make?
One common mistake is looking down at phones too much.
Ah, yes, we all do that.
It's called tech neck or text neck.
Tech neck, because of technology.
Yes, looking down bends your neck too much.
What should we do instead?
Hold your phone at eye level.
Eye level, so I don't have to look down?
Exactly. It keeps your head in a better position.
That's a simple but important tip.
It really is. Another mistake is sitting for too long.
How long is too long?
More than 30 minutes without moving.
Only 30 minutes? That's not very long.
I know, but our bodies need movement.
What should we do?
Stand up and stretch every 30 minutes.
Just for a minute or two?
Yes, even a short break helps a lot.
What kind of stretches should we do?
Simple ones. Reach your arms up high.
Like this? Arms above my head?
Yes, then twist your body left and right gently.
That feels good. My back is happy.
Good. Also, roll your shoulders backward.
Shoulder rolls. I like those.
And don't forget to walk around a little.
Walking is good for circulation.
Yes, it gets your blood flowing.
These are all easy things to do.
They are, but they make a big difference.
What other mistakes do people make?
Wearing uncomfortable shoes.
Shoes affect our posture?
Very much, especially high heels.
High heels change how you stand?
Yes, they tilt your body forward.
That's bad for the back and knees.
Exactly. It's better to wear flat, comfortable shoes.
What about shoes with no support?
Those are bad too, like flip-flops.
Flip-flops are comfortable, though.
For a short time, but not for all day.
They don't support your feet properly.
Right. Good shoes have arch support.
The arch, that's the curved part of your foot.
Yes, support there helps your whole body.
Interesting. I never thought about that.
Your feet are your foundation.
Foundation, the base that everything stands on.
Exactly. Take care of your feet.
I will. This is all such useful information.
I'm happy to share it. Now let's talk about the benefits.
Benefits. The good things that happen from correct posture?
Yes, there are many benefits.
Tell me. I want to hear them.
First, less pain.
Less back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain?
Yes, good posture prevents all of that.
That alone is a great reason.
Second benefit is better breathing.
Better breathing? How does posture affect breathing?
When you slouch, your lungs are compressed.
Compressed means squeezed or pressed.
Yes, you can't breathe deeply.
But with good posture, your chest is open.
Exactly. Your lungs have more space.
More oxygen to your body and brain.
Yes, you feel more energetic.
That's amazing. What's the third benefit?
Better digestion.
Digestion? Really?
Yes, slouching compresses your stomach too.
So sitting up straight helps your stomach work better.
Exactly. Food moves through your system easier.
I had no idea posture affected so many things.
It really does. Fourth benefit is confidence.
We mentioned this before. Good posture looks confident.
Yes, but it also makes you feel confident.
How does that work?
Your body language affects your mood.
So if I stand tall, I feel better.
Yes, it's called power posing.
Power posing. That sounds interesting.
Scientists have studied this. It actually changes your hormones.
Wow. The mind and body are connected.
They are, very much so.
Any other benefits?
Better concentration and focus.
Because of better breathing and more oxygen?
Yes, and less pain means less distraction.
If my back doesn't hurt, I can focus on my work.
Exactly. You're more productive.
These are all wonderful benefits.
They are. Good posture is very important.
So how do we remember to practice good posture?
Set reminders on your phone.
Reminders every 30 minutes to check my posture?
Yes, and to stand up and stretch.
That's a practical tip.
You can also put a note on your desk.
A note that says, sit up straight?
Yes, or check your posture.
Simple visual reminders help.
They do. Another tip is to exercise.
Exercise helps posture?
Yes, strong muscles support good posture.
What kind of exercises?
Core exercises for your stomach and back muscles.
Like planks?
Yes, planks are excellent.
What else?
Yoga and Pilates are very good.
They focus on posture and flexibility.
Exactly. They teach body awareness.
Body awareness means knowing how your body feels and moves.
Yes, it's very important.
This has been such a helpful conversation.
I think so too. We learned a lot today.
Let's do a quick review for everyone.
Great idea. For sitting, feet flat on floor,
Knees at 90 degrees,
back supported,
shoulders back and down.
head straight,
For standing, feet shoulder width apart,
knees slightly bent,
weight evenly distributed.
spine naturally straight.
Perfect summary.
And remember to move every 30 minutes.
Stand, stretch, and walk.
Your body will thank you.
I think our time is almost finished for today.
Yes, this was a wonderful episode.
Very practical and useful.
Before we finish, please subscribe to Small Talk Podcast.
Yes, and give us a thumbs up.
Share this episode with anyone who sits or stands.
That's everyone.
Exactly. Everyone can benefit.
Now for our question of the day.
We want to hear from you.
Go to the comments and tell us.
Do you have good posture?
Or do you need to improve?
Write 1 or 2 sentences.
For example, I sit at my desk all day.
Or, I will try to stand up every 30 minutes.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you. It was wonderful talking with you.
Take care of your body and practice good posture.
We will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Emily. Goodbye, friends.